What's happening, best friends? Welcome back to my channel. So Kriyya sent me this 26-inch straight wig, and I decided that I wanted to do a skunk patch on it. All right, not your typical white or blonde skunk patch. We're gonna do a brown one because you know I love browns. So this is what the wig looks like. It's your basic stock wig. You get 4 combs or 3 combs and adjustable straps. The wig came pre-plugged, and I'm going to customize it with you guys. Okay, so since we're gonna do a skunk strip, you want to part out a square wherever you want it on your hairline. So I like my parts or my flip on the right side. So this is my right side right here. So I'm gonna just basically part out a square right here, and then we're gonna do the skunk strip on that part. So it's up to you how big you want to do it. I've seen tutorials. So I'm gonna part some hair out from the bottom because I want the bottom of it to stay black like that, and then I'm also gonna part where it is about right here. Part it back. Now since this is not a full frontal, I'm gonna take it into the tracks in the back, right? So this is where right here is where the frontal ends. So I'm gonna bring it back a little bit. So I'm gonna make a square right here into the tracks, and so boom, you have your square. So I'm gonna go ahead and pin this away. I'm gonna pin that away, and then I'm gonna move all the rest of the hair to get it out the way. So to make sure I don't get any bleach around the area, I am going to section it off with foil. So I have the area sectioned off, and it's clean. It's a clean section off at that. Let's fix her so you guys can see her better. 30 volume developer and Blonde Me bleach because I want to get it a good lift one time. So I'm gonna use a scoop of this. A scoop should be enough, maybe a scoop and a half, and 2 scoops of 30 volume developer. So what I'm doing here is I'm gonna split the little section into littler sections. So I'm gonna part the square out because I'm going to bleach, and I'm going to leave roots because I don't like how it looks on certain people with it's just pure color without a root. So I left a root on mine, and plus when you over bleach knots, you tend to get shedding, and I didn't want to over bleach my knots, so that's the reason why I decided to leave some roots there. Okay, and so I'm going to apply the bleach thoroughly on the upper part of the section, and then after I do the entire section like that, I'm gonna make sure everything is blended in. I use a lot of bleach because I want to make sure it's heavily saturated. Okay, and after I do that, put bleach on all the upper portion of the section that I am bleaching. I'm gonna go in and massage the bleach into the rest of the area. Now, like I said, I use a lot of bleach because I want to make sure that I'm saturating it really good because of the fact that I'm taking large sections and doing it at once, and so that just makes the bleaching process a little faster. If you guys hear my dogs, I am sorry, they are going off right now. They must see a cat outside or something. But yeah, so I'm just make sure I massage it, look at the area, make sure that it's heavily saturated. And then after I do that, I am going to put it in a shower cap. That's the only plastic thing that I seen around me, so I used it, and it worked out good because I'm using a 9 or 7 lift bleach. You want to make sure that there's airflow going through this because I did use 40 volume I think 40 volume developer or 30 volume developer. I use 30 volume developer on this, and you want to make sure that it has airflow, because if it gets too hot, it can easily over process, because this is a powerful bleach. All right, so you want to just make sure you do that. And after you let it sit, I let it sit for about 20-25 minutes, and this is what the outcome was. This is the level it has gotten to. This is pretty good, because I could either bleach it one more time to get it to a blonde state, or I could put like a rinse over it. And I think I'm gonna end up doing the rinse instead of the blonde, because I want to keep it as healthy as possible. So yeah, we're gonna do that. So I'm gonna go ahead and wash this off, and I'll come back and then we'll add the color to it. Okay, so I'm gonna use Spice Amber for the color. Now, again, you could have bleached it one more time and then toned it to get, like, you know, the skunky blonde streak. But I didn't really care for that. I actually wanted to use a brown, or like Spice Amber, or orangey brown to do this. And it worked out perfectly because it matched my outfit. Okay, so I was thinking about my outfit. So yeah, I'm just gonna massage that color into the area, heavily saturated again. Okay, no, I did not tone this hair before I put the color on there. I just rinsed the bleach off, and then I added the color, because you don't need to condition it yet, because the hair strands, the pores on the hair strands are open, and you want it to absorb that color. So do not use a conditioner yet. Just rinse out the bleach thoroughly. And then yeah, so after I made sure that it was heavily saturated, I did go in and bleach the knots, and I'm gonna show you guys me doing that as well. So again, I'm going to use 30 volume developer, and now I'm going to use quick blue bleach, because it's not as strong as the blonde me, and I'm just lifting knots. So the blonde me is a bit expensive, so you don't want to waste that. Okay, so I did put that skunk patch back into a shower cap so I could process while I bleach the knots. So I'm going to go in and apply bleach to the lace and to the knots, just so we could kill two birds with one stone, and we won't have to go back and bleach it later. So that's what I'm doing right here. And yeah, so once I apply the bleach, I'm gonna let it process for, again, another 20 minutes. And then after it's processed, I'm gonna go ahead and then I'm gonna wash out the wig. I'm gonna use blue shampoo for the knots, and then I'm gonna use Aussie Moist Miracle for the actual hair, and then I deep condition with silicone mix because I did bleach it. Okay, and you want to do that in cold water. So this is what the wig looks like after I styled it and added some baby hairs. I did not have to pluck the hairline because it was good enough. And yeah, like, she came out cute. Excuse my mannequin that I purchased from Amazon. She came with her nose pushed in, but I did not feel like sending it back. So I kept her and did her makeup and put some long lashes on her. So let's do the install. All right, so you guys see me do an install many times on this channel, but we're gonna do it again, and we're gonna continue to do it until everybody see these videos. Okay. All right, so I'm gonna use my Ruby Kisses in the shade 16, and I'm gonna put this all over my stocking cap, and I want to help blend in and make a scalp-like appearance. All right, so this is my wig. I told you she matched my dress. So yeah, so I'm gonna apply her. I'm just looking at her and I'm like, okay, she is hitting, and this is really cute. This is a cute combo together. Yes, a cute little combo. So I'm gonna go ahead and pin back my baby hairs to get them out of the way, and I'm gonna do the glueless method because this is the easiest way. You can literally put on your wig in about 10 minutes. Yes, I said it, 10 minutes, and you're good to go, especially if you're in a rush. You can put your wig on super fast. So what I'm going to use is my Eben spray in a yellow can. That's my favorite one thus far. I did order the black one. I'm waiting for that to come in the mail. And I'm gonna spray my hair. I'm not going to drench my hairline because I do not want my stocking cap to move back. But I'm going to spray it enough to where it can stick down. So once I have my placement of my lace front or my hairline down, I'm going to blow dry it on warm for about a minute, and I'm gonna do that into the entire hairline. So once everything is dried down, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to cut off the excessive lace. I like to go in with like a rat tail or something pointy, just to make sure that the lace is lifted in certain areas, so I can cut it off, because I don't want excessive lace on my face, because you could definitely see that. Okay, so once I do that, I'm gonna go ahead with my eyebrow razor and some scissors. I'll usually alternate, and I'm gonna cut off the excessive lace. So because I'm using a lace spray, you're going to be able to see the line of demarcation where the lace starts. But once you have your baby hairs laid and everything, and you go to melt it, that's going to disappear. So you won't be able to see that. Now, me using this, I could get at least 2-day wear out of this. I might have some lifting in certain areas, but because it's a lace spray, it's easy for me to go back and fix those areas with the spray and the blow dryer. Like, I really actually love this wig. I loved how it turned out. I love the side part. Mind you, this is not even a wig that you can even do a deep side part. So the fact that I was able to do a nice deep side part, it's not a super long part, but I curved it to where it has the illusion of the side part. Like it hits, like, and I'm so proud of that. So let me know down below, would you guys wear this wig? Because she looks cute on me, so I know she'll look cute on you. Would you wear this? Tell me down below in the comment section. So it's baby hair time. You guys already know I like to pre-cut my baby hairs, just because aesthetic purposes, for pictures for Instagram and stuff like that. If you're not following me on Instagram, please do. Hey, you guys, we are almost at 100K. Like, we're doing it. I am so thankful and grateful, you guys. Like, I'm so thankful and grateful. Like I said, we're gonna have a big giveaway, so just make sure you guys get me to 100K. Share this with y'all homies. Like, girl, now if they not even into tutorials and you like a wig and you think they like a wig, send it to your homies, so like we can hurry up and get it to 100K. Like, we're almost there. But anyway, so I'm gonna use spritz and I'm gonna lay down my baby hairs. Like, you see that line of demarcation right there? That's all going to disappear after I do my melt method. Okay, and I'm gonna use my edge brush to go ahead and lay down the baby hairs. I actually like the little curl. It's like a little who curl, or or a little a little who curl, like from the Grinch by the ear. I like that. Like, it's cute. I like how it look on me. But anyway, I'm gonna go back and lay down all the baby hairs, and then once that's done, I'm gonna take my even spray and I'm gonna spray my hairline, and I'm gonna wrap it down with my elastic band. And that is basically the end of this video, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you guys enjoyed this beginner friendly, simple tutorial, because this was a very easy tutorial to do, okay? Especially if you just wanted to jazz up your wig a little bit or revamp your wig a little bit. Like, this is it. Like, it'll just take your wig to another level. You can use any color that you please. You can use reds, you can use purples. If you do purples, you want to make sure you lift it light enough so it won't so the color could deposit really good. All right, but again, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, this wig is from Kriyya, and I will have all the all the information and all the products that I use down below in the description box for you guys, okay? And make sure you guys follow me on social media. I have it listed right here for you guys. And until next time, bye, best friends.